I get a VIP question from someone very special, my wife, Angie Bossa. Thoughts on Pregnenolone for women, and what is a standard dose?
Okay, Angie Bossa. Damn, she's hot looking, that woman. Okay.
She is. That's why I married her. One of the reasons why I married her.
Actually, Angie, you know what? You brought something very specific that I have to take back. Do I use, what was the question again? Say it again, very loud again.
Ideal doses of Pregnenolone in women.
In women, oh man, I hate Angie. I don't like you right now. So in some women, actually, and I should have said, because we're talking about men, I was thinking with men. I wasn't thinking about women. In some women, Pregnenolone has shown to improve mood, okay? Specifically, relaxation or breaking the thoughts out of your mind, or the OCD component of it. Now, the only time I've seen this work, Angie, actually between 100 and 200, minimum 50. I never seen it work below 50. Now, this is only maybe between 10 and 15 women in my office. So that is a small number of women. Note that a lot of them has come to see me taking 10 milligrams by some other physician, not by me, 10 milligrams or 5 milligrams. And I don't see any side effects, but I don't see any effects. Some people say, oh, I feel a little better. Now, 50s, by the way, I have maybe a couple of women 25, right? But 50s is the minimum dose that I say I would see anything if I was going to see anything. And the response that I get is I feel better. I have a better well-being, but I don't see any physical change on that woman. Now, but when the person tells you, I feel better, I got to listen, okay? I got to say that. So to answer your question, minimum 50, maximum 200.
Mizumi is the #1 product for acne problems on TRT. Check out the products using the link in the description under this video.